Hi everyone, today I'm painting Santorini, never been there, painting it anyway. Lightpad on, reference underneath, HB pencil, very light, just the basic shapes, dome, arches, balcony door. This is not cheating, this is how you learn to see. Watercolor first, lightest color first, always. Cobalt blue for the dome, warm white for the walls. Let each area dry before touching the next one. I know it's hard to wait, do it anyway. I'm working top to bottom, letting each section dry before moving to the next. Santorini is a gift for watercolor because the palette is so specific, like cobalt blue for the dome, that deep saturated Mediterranean blue that you see in every single photo of this island and still can't quite believe is real. Soft gray white for the walls. The buildings in Santorini are not pure white. They have warmth in them. A little yellow, a little sand. And now the ink now. And the scene changes completely. When you go over dry watercolor with a fine liner, you get this beautiful thing where the color and the line leave at the same depth on the page. They feel like they belong to each other. I'm defining the dome, the arcs, the windows, the railings of the balcony, and the details at ground level. The café table, the chairs, the terracotta pots for the door. Ink at this stage is not about perfection. It's about presence. Each line says, this is here, this is real, this exists on this page. And now the watercolor brush pens for the midtones. The wooden door, that warm brown that looks almost honey-colored in the Greek afternoon light. And the chairs, the checkered tablecloth, the bougainvillea, and here the brush pens are perfect because I can place the pink exactly where I want without the color spreading everywhere like watercolor does. I'm also adding some warmth to the shadow areas of the building, just a hint of color where the wall catches reflected light from the ground. This is the layer where the scene starts to feel inhabited, like someone actually lives here, like there is coffee on the table. And finally, acrylic brush pens. I'm using the Macaron Color set here. Those soft pastel tone acrylic that are perfect for highlights and final light touches. And there it is, a Santorini that I built one layer at a time. Thank you so much. And bring your sketchbook. We are just getting started.